What's up, viewers? This is Bird Runners. This is where you start, not much. There's a basketball that you can't even barely throw, so you have to dunk it. There's some J-Man Curly videos over here. It only plays one video, and a very short part of it. Here's the instructions. Put it behind your back. Don't always work for me, but you got tutorial and main. Click the middle of your hand. Yes, I am invisible. Can't really see where my hands are. Their servers are down, so you can't join anybody because their servers are down. You hold down A and X, and then flap your wings like a bird. You fly like a bird. We got floors lava, don't even have lava, really just parkour. Bye guys, I'll see you.